Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making an alternate card using the Sweeter With You July 2025 paper pumpkin kit. Here is what the kit originally makes. Okay, before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Farmhouse Florals paper pumpkin kit for August that's going to make 9 whimsical cards. Secret C is the stamping spot that it's going to come with. And this kit also includes a free additional stamp set. We have the Circle of Season add-on dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you shop, earn, redeem, and repeat. Earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem your rewards on future orders. Track and save your rewards in your online Stampin' Up! Account. And those rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date of each reward, okay? Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used Stampin' Up! Retired products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. Our $30 price is only good till July 31st. After that, it will be going up to $35 because shipping charges have gone up. stampwithshana@gmail.com is my email address to contact me for one of these boxes. And that is all of our buzzworthy business of the day. So let's get started on our project. So we are going to be making a book binding card. So I'm going to start by stamping. So the first thing we have is a basic white circle that's die cut using the Circle of Season dies that coordinate with this kit. And then we have a piece of basic white that is 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, and we're going to stamp on both of them. So for the inside, we're going to stamp a strawberry. We're going to do Poppy Parade. We're going to stamp a strawberry right here in the left-hand corner. Let's see, get some garden green. And we're going to stamp our little topper, our leafy topper, just like that. Okay, and then on here, we're going to stamp thank you in garden green. I think I'm going to put it about right there. Okay, and also, oh, one more piece we're stamping on. This is a piece of garden green that is from the kit. It is a 1/2 inch by 3 3/4. And we're going to stamp, let me get some scrap paper, because we're going to stamp, and I'm not sure if it's going to go over the edge. Love you lots, tone on tone. But I want to start on this end. Then I'm just going to, okay, it just went on there evenly, but I didn't mean to do it like that because I wanted to look like it was just randomly stamped. Oh goodness. I didn't even get on there. Okay. I'm not good at random, I see. So that's all the stamping done. So now we can put this card together. So we're going to take our inside white and we're going to layer that on some garden green that is 4 by 4. We're going to use our stamp and seal to adhere that. Just like that. We have a card base here of strawberry slush that is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2, and then at 4 1/4. And we're going to go ahead and adhere this to the inside of our card base, because again, this is a book binding fold. So we're going to just add this in just like that. So with the book binding fold, you fold it in half at 4 1/4, at 5 1/2, and then you fold back on the 4 1/4 side, and we're going to put some liquid adhesive right here to hold our card shut. You don't want too much because you don't want it to ooze out, okay? So then we have a piece of garden green. This one is 4 by 1 inch. And we're going to glue this on. Actually, no, before I glue that on, I have 2 little strips of the card front pieces. These were basically scraps. Then I just made them, I'm gonna make them work for this card. They're a quarter of an inch each, and they're 3 by 3/4. So 3 3/4 by 1/4 of an inch. And we're gonna glue these on. And I'm just eyeballing this. I'm not sure of what I really wanted to do with here, because we have this extra piece in the middle. I was thinking about putting some twine, again, back to the twine, because I don't have any in color ribbon, and strawberry slush ribbon would have been real pretty right here. I could have put a piece of strawberry slush paper there, but we're gonna add this on this side of our fold, just like this, okay? Then we have the front of our card. We have 4 by 4 in the garden green, 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 of the card base that I cut down. That was part of the kit, and we're gonna glue this little strip we stamped all over. We're gonna put this right here, like this, just like that. Okay, then we can go ahead and put this onto the mat of garden green, so we can get that adhered to our card base. I usually make the book binding fold when I'm doing alternates. It's one of my go-to fun folds, because I don't make a lot of fun folds, but I love this one because it's so simple, but it adds just a little something the way it opens like that. Unexpected. Okay, now we are going to add things with Stampin' Dimensionals, are we? I do believe so. So let me get some Stampin' Dimensionals out, and let's pop up our circle here with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Oop. I'm gonna sit this, where do I want to put it? I don't really want it in the middle. Let's put it about right here. Why not? Then I have some strawberries that I stamped and fussy cut, because I ran out of the ones that come in the kit. And we're gonna add these with Stampin' Dimensionals, I do believe. So let's put one. We're gonna put right here, like that. And let's see, maybe one right here. So we'll put the dimensional on this side of this strawberry. And do I want the other one about right there? So we'll put it up here in this corner. Let's do it at a different angle than the rest, like that. Okay, and then I have a couple of flowers that I die cut using the Circle of Season dies, and those are in basic white. And I am not sure where I want to put these, so maybe one on each strawberry. That'd be cute. Yeah. Yep. So let's get us some mini Stampin' Dimensionals to put behind these flowers. So we'll put one there, one up here. I told you guys I designed my cards ahead of time, but the little final touches and pieces, I really don't know. I just do the basic layout of what I want, and everything else I'm doing it as I'm putting the card together. So that is that. Now all we have to do is add our bling. You know, I should have added something over here. Let's do a few more flowers. So I have some flowers because I die cut a lot of things. So let's see. Do I have any strawberry slush flowers? I think I see one. Here's another one. Do we have 3? Come on. Nope, no more. Okay, so we'll use a white one. Oh, no, I can use Timid Tiger because that's the stripes that's in that plaid paper. Ooh. Do we want to do it like this? Do I have another Timid Tiger? Yes. Oh, see? Told you I don't design these all the way. So let's get some glue dots to put on the back of our flowers here. A surprise design. That's why I like die cutting extra things. You never know when you're gonna need them. I just die cut flowers out of all the colors that was in the kit. Just in case. Just in case. And I'm happy I did. So, what did I say? Let's do strawberry slush. One here. One down here. Then we're going to do the Timid Tiger. I'm not going to press these down because I want to make sure that I'm spacing it good for the white one in the middle. Go down a little bit more. Okay, it is what it is. So let's get our backings away from our project because they don't belong on there. And we're gonna get our bling. So we're gonna be using the strawberry slush and petal pretty in pink gems here. I've been using them basically on all of the projects. And I'm gonna go with the strawberry slush this time. So we're gonna do these little gems. Oh, not on that one. Only on the white one. I want the strawberry slush. Where's the back of this thing? On the white ones, we're going to do the strawberry slush gems. Because you can see the color. And on the rest of them, we're going to do these clear ones. How about that? This card is blinged up. And since we blinged up our card, let's go ahead and add some Wink of Stella to the strawberries. Oh, and I forgot this is ink, not the one from the kit. So that ink bleed a little bit, but that is our card. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love this. Cute book binding. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.